You can also be a part of our students gallery by sending your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number.
Hello everyone, once again I am Bishwajit here representing Doremi. Today I have come with a video that is our part 2 3D paper making house, and I know you all are eagerly waiting for this video. You may think in this video I will only show color. No, whenever Bishwajit comes with a new thought. In this video there will be lot of learnings. And don't forget, this is your platform too. Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And thank you everyone. In our channel we can see lot of views, but we also need more and more likes and subscribers. Please motivate us and our participants. So after watching this video, I really want from you more likes and more subscribers. I believe that you will do. So let's see part 2 3D paper making house.
Let's start our digital approach of learning, where we are making a plan with our 3D paper house that we have made in our last videos, where I am drawing doors, trees, and you can see the birds, humans. This is working as our layout. We are making the grass in front of the house, so we are simply doing the layout. You can see I am taking the red color, where you can understand I have done the banana trees, horizontal line trees. So this is our plan, so we are going to make that. So look, we have come where I am folding the paper. Now I am tearing the paper from the middle. Now I am using a brush, or you can use any pen, to make a stick. That stick represents the bamboo of our house. I am cutting, and this both of the paper making bamboo I am going to add by making a hole in roof and in veranda of our house. It's very simple, but be very careful. Your house should not be tiered fully, okay? When you are making the hole, you have to be very gentle. So look, it is looking like that. Now the extra part I have cut. Now we will make the door, okay? So we are going to make the two sides door. I am cutting it little bit bigger than our house door's size. Why? Look, we have made the door. Now we are folding this part. This part is going to be paste. So we have taken little bit bigger than our exactly size of the house doors, where we can paste it, where you can use the gum. So you can see the door. Now I am making the trees. In generally we can see in the village roof. So I am cutting this. I am doing it very faster, but you have to be very gentle when you are doing, okay? So this way you can make a perfect work better than me. Look. Now we have to draw the human, but look, human is looking bigger, so I have to make small one. So you have to understand according to the house the human's height. Now I am drawing a woman is sitting, is holding a hand fan. Now we will the each. Okay, when you are cutting around the head and hand, be very careful. A little bit down part we will make extra for folding and using gum to paste it. I hope you have understood. Same things I am doing with the woman. I have cut everything, but in the down part I have made extra little bit for pasting. So this way both our figures can stand. Now look, so interestingly I'm just folding the extra part of our paper, and I have drawn the grasses. I will cut it. So you can guess things are going to be fantastic. When you love to do art, creativity automatically comes in your mind. It takes little time, so don't be hurry. Take your time and make the things perfect. Look, I have made the trees also on the top of the house, that is banana tree. In same way I have taken a piece, I have drawn this, I have pasted only down part to make it look 3D. Don't paste it full. Now I have drawn the background, horizontal line, there is some grasses, now a tree, just not in detailing, little bit touch. After pasting I am coloring it, but better, and the process is after cutting you have to color, then you can paste. Okay, means before pasting you should do color. After pasting I am coloring here for your better understanding, to clear you where exactly I am doing. So because of this reason I pasted, after that I started color. But you always color first, then paste. Okay, now look, otherwise it is getting very difficult for me to color after pasting. Okay, little bit touch, don't give too much of leaves, and also you don't have to color exactly what I am doing. You can do your own color also, but technique you need to follow me. Okay, obviously you need to follow the techniques are same. Okay, but the way I'm coloring you have to color. Okay, first you have to color the border, then you have to fill the color. Look, I am holding the scale because I am facing problem when I'm coloring. Okay, because there is no support. So better before pasting if you do color. Now look, I am coloring the bamboo, so take the yellow color, I mean yellow ochre, that relates nicely with the bamboo. Look, look, I have given some outline, just little touch wherever I feel like. Now I have drawn a bird and I'll cut it. Okay, look, and same things in the down part I have made little bit folding, so I didn't cut it. I have kept it extra for using gum and pasting. Look, so I was thinking to make it crow, but no, I didn't need to use any black color, so I have made the parrot. Thinking on that I have made this. So it was looking fantastic, and the greenish ground. You can see. Look the down part. Now I'm showing the top part. You can see how the birds are looking, the humans and the doors. Now let's do little bit detailing with the sketch pen in doors and the windows, and our house is ready. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe on the notification bells, like, comment and share.